Time to go do some stuff on the Prelude today. The other day I came out to the Prelude to find out that I actually had a massive exhaust leak. The entire part that goes right up to the muffler, right at the flange, just completely rusted out and separated. So I'll show you guys, or I'll try to show you guys real quick. Probably won't be able to see it, but you can definitely hear it. But right there, right up there, there is just a massive exhaust leak. So actually in the trunk right now, I have an entire new cap back for the Prelude. I'll show it to you guys when we get to the shop where we're going to have it installed, but two other things I wanted to point out. David actually came through yesterday and we put on a new banner up on top. I think it looks pretty freaking sick. We went with the newer logo for the banner, and then instead of using the elevated EST portion on the front, cut it off and put it on the back, so you have elevated media EST 2018 on the rear. And another side project that I did this weekend was repainting all of this trim here. As you can tell, it is no longer doing that chromy black peel thing. It's all black now, looks way better. So time to go flip 2 tires, get the exhaust fixed, and I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. Just made it over to the shop, just waiting for them to move some cars around, and then we can get this here Prelude in for some work. I'll definitely try and show you guys on camera, but what I did was I picked up basically a cap back. It's a straight pipe, 2.5 inch stainless steel. Then I'm just gonna basically hope to use the same muffler that I have on there right now. So it should sound hopefully really good. Definitely a lot better than it does right now. Waiting for them to shuffle some cars around so we can get the young Prelude in and on the lift. Just get to welding, man. This is the 2.5 inch piping in stainless steel cap back that we'll be throwing onto the Prelude. It comes with all of the hardware mounting brackets that you need. I've also brought 2 tires to hopefully flip the rears, because if I show you guys this side, you guys may not be able to see it, but this side is actually down to threads on the rear. So this one definitely needs to get swapped, and if you guys can tell, hella toe in, and that is why down to threads. So in search of Megan Racing tie rods for this thing, but temporary fixes today. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we had a little janky fix right there where we had to basically slip over a pipe just to get it running, because it was literally dangling half pieces, 2 pieces hanging off the bottom of the car. So that was the temporary fix. All right guys, so I got some bad news on the Prelude and this exhaust. Unfortunately, we've tried mocking up this exhaust, and basically how it sits, it only comes back to actually right in the middle of this resonator looking thing. It doesn't even go all the way to the flex pipe. So I'm honestly at this point not sure how this is supposed to mount up exactly. If the long straight pipe is, they built it long so that way you can cut it to size or what, but just kind of running into a lot of issues with how it fits up and everything, especially going from the stock piping size to 2.5 inch. So I think we're gonna maybe head over to an actual exhaust specialized shop and see what they offer. I may end up just having them rebuild all the piping and get rid of this kit and sell it or something, return it. But that's kind of the plan, guys, is not gonna happen here. We're gonna go try and check out another shop and see if they can fabricate something to make this exhaust work. Oh my god, it sounds so bad. So I kept the same. And we're gonna stop right there. Now just editing this, I'm not really sure what happened, but I'm totally missing a clip from when I left the second shop that I went to who actually installed my exhaust, and I explained all of what I did. So I'll just kind of sum it up right now. Basically what had happened was the exhaust that I bought, and when I took it to the first shop, they weren't really, when we mocked it up, I guess, it only came to about halfway to the resonator. My flex pipe honestly needed replacing. They just didn't have the stuff that we needed to get it done in a timely manner. So ended up taking it to a exhaust specialty shop, and I mean, that's all they do, and that's what they're really good at. So they were able to basically put in a brand new flex pipe and then add a little extra 2.5 inch stainless steel piping to meet the exhaust that I had purchased and brought to them. And then I kept the same muffler that I had before. That was a 2.5 inch inlet stainless steel muffler with I think it's either a 3.5 or a 4-inch outlet. But basically, shout out to Luz in Milford, New Hampshire. Brian, I don't know if you watch my videos, man, but the Prelude came out awesome. So I'm just super grateful you were able to make that happen. And let's just jump right back into the video. I'll definitely jack the car up and show you guys the system in full, but for now I'm gonna hand the camera over to my buddy. And I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a few revs and hopefully you guys like it. Sounds a little bit better. I don't know what you guys think, but put it down in the comments. Let me know. I know I didn't really capture the stock audio, but there's endless videos of the Prelude stock exhaust you guys can check out. So for those of you who have been with the Prelude build for a while, you guys know how it sounded before. Let me know down in the comments. Was the 2.5 inch stainless steel piping a good move? I'm pretty happy with it. It looks a hell of a lot cleaner underneath there, and we don't have to worry about that little tiny 1-inch rusted out pipe going all the way back. It is the next day, and I wanted to kind of jump back to the exhaust and show you guys some sound clips of it and how it sounds while I'm actually driving. So I've rigged up the GoPro to the back of the bumper. I'm gonna go putt around for a bit and let you guys hear the new 2.5 inch stainless steel catback. For those asking, I picked this up, the metal, from a company called Trubens. They are down in Florida, and they do actually make a 3rd gen Prelude specific. Basically, I wouldn't even call it a cat back because it goes to the flex pipe, so you're gonna need a little extra material, and basically it's just not an all-in-one deal. You'll still have to get some parts, but for the most part, it's pretty cool. I think it sounds awesome. So let's go ahead and jump over to GoPro and let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Well guys, now's the time. Put it down in the comments. Let me know what you think of the new exhaust on the 3rd gen Prelude. Like I said, I'm just super happy with it. I really was not expecting it to sound this good, so I'm super stoked. Definitely a solid upgrade. And speaking of upgrades, in a Elevated Media video coming to you soon, I've actually picked up something to finally fix the toe-in that I have on both of the rears, which is why I keep going through tires like it's nobody's business. So hopefully gonna get that toe-in issue fixed on the 2 rear tires, or wheels I should say. But I did just jack up the Prelude because I want to show you guys basically what it looks like underneath. We have the same muffler. This is an eBay muffler, stainless steel, 2.5 inch on that end, and I want to say that is either a 3.5 or a 4-inch tip. But again, the muffler itself is stainless steel, and we have the new stainless steel piping going all the way up to actually a brand new flex pipe that is now attached to the exhaust manifold. So it's 2.5 inch straight pipe all the way back to the muffler. It is a fully stainless steel system, and hopefully that video of the sound clips do it justice. But guys, that is gonna wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Comments down below, let me know what those opinions are on the exhaust, good or bad. I want to hear it. I want to know what you guys think of it. So stay tuned for the next video. More Prelude mods coming, and make sure you hit that sub button if you're new here. I'll see you next time. Peace out.